Hello, this is Hans Adams from Nishimbo Micro Devices and welcome back to another product introduction video. Today we have a look to a new battery protection IC for rechargeable one-cell lithium-ion and lithium polymer batteries. Nishimbo is a pioneer and has 25 years of experience for this kind of products. We started the production of the first protection ICs around 1995. The 5613 is designed to enforce strict usage limits, keeping the battery cell in optimal condition and preventing critical overload conditions. It has the standard functions like overcharge and over-discharge voltage, overcharge and over-discharge current, and short-circuit protection. However, several advanced functions have been added which distinguishes the product from conventional products. Target applications are lithium-ion batteries or battery packs for small portable devices such as smartphones, smartwatches, fitness trackers, rechargeable hearing aids or other electronic gadgets. Let's take a look to this product. A new reset pin enables manual control of the external MOSFETs. The RST pin has two optional functions which are selected by the product version. The RST input has an internal resistor to pull it down and is controlled by a P-channel open drain output type. The reset function becomes active when the RST pin is high. The IC turns off the charge and discharge control MOSFETs to disconnect the battery from the charger. The purpose of the forced reset version is to be able to test the leakage current of the battery pack in the mass production process. The reset function is released by returning the RST pin to a low level again. The RST input pin has an internal resistor to pull down and is controlled by a CMOS output type. The forced standby function becomes active when the RST pin is high and pulls the Vmin pin up internally. As a result, all circuits are stopped and current consumption is kept to a minimum. The forced standby function is released by connecting a charger. Traditional current measurement by using the MOSFET on resistant depends on several specific parameters of the MOSFET, causing a large margin in the actual overcurrent threshold. The use of an external current sense resistor addresses this issue and makes this product ideal for applications that require enhanced safety features. Additionally, the external current sense resistor value can be 1.5 milliohm, which results in lower heat dissipation at high currents. A special two-step discharge overcurrent detector is implemented to increase the safety level even more. The protection circuit is triggered by two critical discharge overcurrent thresholds, where the lower current threshold has a moderate response speed and the upper current threshold a fast response speed. The R5613 has a much lower current consumption compared to predecessor products, which is especially important for those applications with a small battery capacity. The IC automatically enters the standby mode once the cell voltage drops below a certain threshold. Some internal circuits will shut down, reducing the current consumption to 0.2 or 0.04 microamp, depending on the selected product version, and minimizes further discharge. Optional functions are available per product version. The first option is 0-volt battery charging, which offers the possibility to allow or disallow the battery to recharge from a deep discharged state. The battery recharge inhibition voltage can be selected in 5 options from 1 to 2.35 volt. Second option is to select between auto release and latch release from overvoltage, undervoltage and discharge overcurrent status. The third option is to select the function of the RST pin, as described before.